Hey, Patrick, how's your morning going? Smiles, stretches a little.
Pretty good, actually. I woke up early today. Yawns softly, then laughs. I made some coffee, sat by the window, and I started thinking about something.
Oh, yeah? What were you thinking about?
I was just thinking about childhood. Pauses. Like when you were a kid,
Oh, wow, that takes me back.
right? It's funny how small things can bring big memories.
Before we go deep, let's say hi properly. Smiles at the camera.
Good idea. Hey everyone, my name's Patrick. I'm from the United States.
And I'm Shirley. I'm also from the US. We're two friends talking slowly and clearly
Using very simple English,
about real life.
today's topic is talk about childhood.
And the big idea is when you were a kid.
We'll share memories, simple stories, feelings,
And maybe a few laughs.
definitely some laughs.
This conversation is great for beginners. Slow, clear, natural.
Okay, let's start easy.
Patrick, when you hear the word childhood, what feeling comes first?
I feel light.
Light?
Yeah, like my shoulders relax.
I like that. For me, childhood feels warm.
Warm is a good word.
Like summer afternoons. No clock, no stress.
No bills.
Yes, no bills. That alone makes childhood amazing.
Do you remember how old you were when you first remember something?
I think I was about 5.
5 years old. What do you remember?
I remember sitting on the floor, playing with toys. The room felt big.
Everything feels big when you're small.
Yes, even a chair feels tall.
I remember being around 4 or 5 too. I was outside,
Outside doing what?
running. Just running for no reason.
Kids do that.
I wasn't going anywhere. I was just running.
That's childhood energy.
Endless energy. I miss that.
Me too. Now I run and I need a break.
Me too.
Let's talk about home. What was your childhood home like? It was small.
But it felt safe.
Safe is important.
Yeah, there were sounds I remember. The TV, people talking.
I remember smells, food smells.
Oh yes, food memories are strong.
My childhood home smelled like cooking in the evening.
Did your family eat together?
Most nights, yes. We sat at the table.
That's special.
We talked about school, about our day,
Even boring days felt okay.
because you were together.
Exactly.
What about school? Did you like school as a kid?
Hmm. Sometimes.
That sounds honest.
I liked recess.
Of course you did.
Recess was the best part. Running, playing, no rules.
I liked school, but I was shy.
Really?
Yes, I didn't talk much.
That's hard to imagine now.
I know, but as a kid, I was quiet.
What made you shy?
I was afraid of saying the wrong thing.
Kids worry about that too.
Yes, but I had one close friend.
That makes a big difference.
It really does.
I remember my teachers. Some were kind, some were strict.
Same here. The kind ones stay in your heart.
Yes, they made me feel seen.
Do you remember your favorite subject?
Art.
Art? That fits you.
I loved drawing. No right answer, just colors.
I liked history.
Really?
Yeah, stories about people, the past.
That explains a lot. What about homework?
Oh, I didn't love it.
Same.
I waited until the last minute.
Me too. Nothing has changed.
Some habits start early.
Let's talk about play. How did you play as a kid?
Outside, a lot.
Same.
We didn't have phones, we used imagination.
Big imagination.
A stick could be anything.
A sword, a wand, a microphone.
Yes,
I played pretend games for hours.
me too. Time moved slowly back then.
That's true. One day felt very long.
Now, a week feels fast.
Childhood time is different.
Do you remember being bored?
Oh, yes.
Kids say, I'm bored.
And adults say, go play.
And then you find something.
Exactly. Boredom made creativity.
I think that's important.
Me too.
Let's talk about family. Who were you close to as a kid?
My mom.
Why?
She listened, even when my stories were silly.
That means a lot to a child.
Yes, she made me feel important.
I was close to my grandmother.
Oh, that's sweet.
She told stories, slow stories.
Stories stick with you.
They do. I still remember her voice.
Childhood memories are strong,
Even small moments.
like getting hurt,
Oh, yes, falling down,
scraped knees,
tears.
and then someone says you're okay.
And suddenly, you are.
Magic.
Do you remember being scared as a kid?
Yes, the dark.
Same.
Night felt scary.
Shadows looked big,
Sounds felt louder.
but morning fixed everything.
Morning was safe.
Childhood fears feel real.
Very real.
Let's talk about happiness. What made you happy as a kid?
Simple things. Ice cream, a new toy.
A surprise day off school,
Oh yes, that was the best.
snow days.
Pure joy.
For me, happiness was feeling loved.
That's deep.
A hug, a smile.
Kids feel everything strongly.
Yes, joy is big, sadness is big.
Do you think childhood changes who we are as adults?
Absolutely.
In what way?
It teaches us how to feel safe or unsafe.
That's true.
It shapes our confidence.
And our fears.
But the good thing is, we can grow.
We can heal.
Yes.
Let's talk about mistakes as kids.
Oh, there were many.
Same.
I broke things.
I lied sometimes.
Kids make mistakes,
And they learn.
hopefully with kindness.
Kind adults make strong kids.
That's a good sentence.
Thanks.
When you think about your childhood now, what do you miss most?
The simplicity.
No plans?
No pressure.
Just today.
What about you?
Feeling free to be myself.
That's important.
I think adults forget that sometimes.
True.
If you could talk to your younger self, what would you say?
Smile softly. I would say, you're doing okay.
That's beautiful.
What about you?
I would say, it's okay to speak.
Wow,
Your voice matters.
that's powerful.
Childhood shapes us, but it doesn't define our limits.
We can grow beyond it.
Yes,
So, when you were a kid,
you laughed easily.
you cried honestly.
You trusted freely.
Maybe we can learn from that.
I think so.
Bring a little childhood into adulthood.
Curiosity,
Play.
kindness.
Thanks for this conversation, Charlie.
Thank you, Patrick. Smiles warmly.
And thank you to everyone listening.
We hope this simple talk helped you
Learn English.
and remember your childhood.
Take a moment today.
To remember who you were.
and be kind to that child.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.